What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing probably my favorite interior lighting mod for pretty much any truck, and that is the Footwell light. So what you see down here, let me get out of the way here, grab the key. This is the VLEDS Footwell light you can see here. So the 07 to 2021 Toyota Tundra has a little light down here, and it's a tiny little bulb. So the VLEDs made this kit to make it super easy to plug into that. So you take out the halogen bulb, plug it in, and then you install this light strip. The nice thing with this is that it opens up with your door, and when you actually start it and drive, it has this low dim mode that you can actually control. They provide you with this little tiny screwdriver that you can turn to adjust the brightness in it. So if you want it bright when you're driving, that way you can see kind of your foot area, or you can, like what I have it pretty dim. So when I'm driving, it's not a distraction, but at least if I look down, I can still see it, which is really nice. So I got them on both the front driver and passenger, and the rear as well. My rear is a little messy right now just because we're out here, we're camping, we got some recovery gear that we had to use about 10 minutes ago. And then right here, I have it mounted right here. Mine is a double cab Tundra, so it's a little bit different than the Crew Max. So I just mounted right here, drilled a little hole into the carpet and went straight down and then ran it to the front. That way it gives a nice clean install. And then I have it illuminated towards the front. That way my kids or any rear passengers kind of sees the area when they're walking in. That way they're not stepping on anything like that. But that's that. We have it on both sides, and this is a very, very cool mod and kind of modernizes this old truck. This is an 07 with 245,000 miles, and all the things that we've done to it has kind of revived it from kind of the work truck life that it lived for 200,000 miles of its lifetime. And now it's kind of getting to enjoy, the views and everything that we have to bring to it. So that's gonna be it. Just really wanted to make a quick video to show off these lights because they're amazing. We had it in our 3rd gen Tacoma as well. Amazing. That one isn't as plug and play as this one, just because this one has that little bulb from factory. The 3rd gen Tacomas don't have any kind of courtesy lights for you to step into, so a little bit harder to install, but not as bad. We have a whole separate video for that too, so check that out. But if you guys are new here, let us know what you guys want to see. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys next time.